Always bring safe and reliable car. Like your examiner is going to check your indicators, brake light, and horn in starting. And if any one of those is not working, they are going to cancel your test right there. And they are not going to take you for the test. And you will get fail even before starting the test. And you will lose your half of the fees with that. Our school is having all the reliable cars. So whenever you have a test, either you should be having a reliable car. If you don't have one, then contact us. Always park your car straight facing forward like this, because when your test start you will be nervous. It will be difficult to take your car out like this and look around like this. So when you are like the test start, you should be able to see like this in starting, so you can safely take your car out for the test. So always park your car straight facing up. Always hold your steering like this, 10 and 2 or 9 and 3. Come on, I will show you. I will show you how to do it. So when you're sitting in the car, driving car, always hold your steering 10 and 2 like this or 9 and 3 like this. Don't hold your steering like this, like this, like this, and like this, like this. Right? Always like this. Don't exceed speed limit. If there's written there maximum 50 meaning is 49, not 51, not 55. If the speed limit say 40 meaning is 39, not 41. It's not like examiner is not going to see it. They will see each and everything. So if it says 40 meaning is 39, 50 meaning is 49, 60 meaning is 59. Don't even exceed even one speed limit. When you're changing lane or pulling over, you have to always check your blind spot. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Like this, three things. M, S, B. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Some people check blind spot like this, not like that. I'll show you. Come, I'll show you. So when you're changing lane, if you're changing lane to left, you have to check left blind spot like this. And when you're changing lane to right, like this. Not just like this, like this. You check like this or check like this. Okay, make sure you learn all the parking skills before the test. And this is like a 3-point turn, uphill and downhill parking, parallel parking, front parking, back parking. In my other videos, I made the videos about the parking. So you can have a look into that videos also. Just make sure you learn all the parking skills before the test. Always wait for the pedestrian. If the pedestrian is walking, just make sure you stop there and treat them as a king. Like a king is walking, just let them go, right? So even if the light is red, green, doesn't matter, you are right of way or not. If the pedestrian is coming in your way, they have a right of way. Don't hit them, don't scare them. Always treat the pedestrian as a king. Always stop completely at the stop sign. When you approach the stop sign, at the white line, stop there first and then look. For some people start looking before that and then see nobody's coming, they just go without stopping. And if you go without stopping, they fail for that. So make sure you stop completely at the stop sign first, then check. If no one is coming, then only go. When you're turning right from a red light, first thing is you have to do is stop your car there first completely. Then look if somebody coming or not. If no one is coming, then take a right. It's not like, oh, the two cars are coming, I can run in front of them. Not like that. So red light meaning is stop your car, completely stop. Then look, no one is coming, then only turn right on a red light. When you take a left turn from a traffic light and there's 2 lanes, first you take first lane and then speed up and change it to a right lane. Don't keep on like driving in a left lane, because by default rightmost lane is your driving lane. So many people have seen that they keep on driving in left lane, or they were maybe scared of changing lane to a right. So make sure you take left and then change it to right. So many examples they fail just because of that. You don't like drive in the rightmost lane. I want to give you one bonus tip. Always remember it's going to be your test, not a instructor's test, not examiner's test. And don't expect any tip from the examiner during the test. And it's not like that they will let you go and they will help you in the exam or something. Not like that. They are here to see you how you drive, not to give you a tip in exam. So make sure you learn everything properly and then go for test. Hopefully these videos is going to help you to pass your test, and if you need more tips to pass your test and about the parking things you want to learn, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel AIAC Driving School, and you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram also. And if you want any help to pass your test, you can call me at any time at 416-275-3965. Our school is AIAC Driving School.